Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play games on Google. So first, on the search bar, you just have to type in snake, and after you type in snake, so even though you want to play other games, you can just type in snake first, and then you will see different options that you could play on Google. So for example, snake, and then tap on search, and then this will show up, and then you see the arrow there. You can just tap on the arrow, and you see there are different games that you could play, and you can just tap. So for example, I want to play snake, tap play, and then it gives you a direction on how to play. So thank